It could have been this. Awake. Luna, awake. What the? Why are you so tired every day? Bye. Oh man, Luna, do you really have to do this? Thank you. Your goldfish is here. I promise I won't shake the screen. Oh, I can't help it. I'm sorry, Macy. Sorry this ever happened. I'm sorry. I know. I can't help it. Okay. Wake up. Oh, no. No. No, Macy. My hand's fine. Oh, man. Oh, great. Now she's scared again. Okay. This happens. Whoa, it could have been when you just got scared of a screen shaking. What? Let me move it on. Hey, Fox, give me back my treats. I'll stop. I'll leave Luna alone for this of the remaining of time. Thank you very much. Am I called that? Yes. They'll know when the sun is down. Oh, it used to be Grandma's. That's right. That's right. Again with this. Yay! Are you happy to me these days? I like it. What's up with that bass, Luna? Always? Oh, this is in parentheses into that sentence. Really? What? What's that dog? Oh, shall we help Quinn out? No! Oh my god, I'll stop. Luna, how many times? 1, 2, 3. No need to count. You just say how many. Say several times. What? Come on, dude. Oh my goodness. It happened several times. Oh man. Wait, let me guess. It's going to be 2 stars, right? I'm fine with them. I'm fine with them in this game. Oh dear. Hey! That was me. Wake up! Oh man. I like the daycare. Yes. I'll apologize. I'm sorry for being mean to you. It's okay. Really have to play hard to get me? Why? I'm going to win again with 3. Not just 2. I want 3 and that's my favorite. I went like this. Hey! Oh man. Adios. Whoa! Where am I going? I raided all the dogs. Thank you so much. What are you doing in there? Are you trying to look for something that I just hide every day? Maybe I'm hiding some cookies for you. Or your snacks. Or a present. I'm hiding them before you can get it. And you must say the magic word, please, because it's... Yes, sirree. You need the magic word. Can I have it, please? Oh, do it. The saxophone, right here. The saxophone's right there, right next to the guitars and violins. Oh, it's closed. Yeah, I knew it. What are you hissing at, Luna? You are just like Poppy, but a lot different, to be honest. A lot different, to be honest. Catch it, please. You've got too many burrows. Moles, you got too many burrows over there. Are we doing the same like yesterday? Because, yes, I knew it. Quit. Yes. Luna. Yeah. The next time you're my controls, I think it's best for you to stay up on the top. Oh, my goodness. And sleep on the top. Oh, so you won't go near to my controls while I'm playing Mario 64 DS. Why? You want to play too? Okay, then learn how to play the game if you want to play, my friend. Luna? Okay. She's like, how am I supposed to play Mario 64 DS? Ah, you'll do so. Ay, ay, ay. Luna. Come on, here's Chloe's treats. I know you want all this, but here you go. Don't make that face against me. Ha ha ha. Oh no. What now? Come on. Any chicks? Because, Luna, I did not do anything. Oh dear. Not now! Ha 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 ha! Not now! Going to win. What? This day's almost over. 4 hours left. Oh! There you go, much better. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's not okay. Arf, 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 arf. What? Yeah. Why are you mad at the yellow screen? I mean, orange screen. Why? It's just orange. I mistakenly called orange yellow because that's wrong. For the way I said it. Bye. What? Why? Are you doing this to me, Luna? No. The rings. You still need to find them. Wait, I find all them? At Bobby's dress shop or something like that? Wake up! How many times I said it to you, Luna? Approximately over 9,000. Not really over 9,000. Several times. Low. Continue. Hey, I woke her up because she's up. Oh, man. Let me do this again with lasagnas. Lasagna is so delicious. Lasagna. Garfield's favorite food. Give me lasagna. No! It's for Garfield. Oh. Sorry, it's for Garfield. You can have some if you want some. On your own. Because can't take his food. Just for... You keep on doing this. I'm gonna do this all day long. I'm not even joking. You were like, no, I want some lasagna. She's like, can you give me some lasagna, please? What did I tell you? It's for Garfield. Oh, no. Okay. That message should have stayed. The moment Luna is roar like a tiger. Ha ha ha. Bye. Like you didn't listen to her. This must be the third game. If you had a good dream, maybe you should buy a lottery? Macy? Wow, I dream about the lottery. I dream random things. Oh my goodness. Whenever I sleep, I dream random things every night. Oh man. What's going on? Luna. Oh, come back here. Little one? I got her at the start, just like last year of 2019 in September. I did, but actually, the other one was Luna. It's just, what name did I name it again? Well, I forgot, but it looks like this one. I forgot, though. I forgot, but I had a screenshot of it. But this time for the return. Her name's Luna this time. Oh, that was the last candy. Oh, come on. This is the last candy. I didn't skip it today. Lunch was like an hour ago. Oh my gosh, in the afternoon. You think lunch is still there? No. Right now it's dessert time, Luna. You should be eating dessert, Luna. Oh my goodness. I mean, seriously, you should be eating dessert, Luna. Oh. For all the snacks that you like. Oh, goodness. Where's Barwood? Okay, I'll give it to you. Man. It gets all like this. Oh, Luna. Wake up. Now is not the time for time to play with Macy. Oh. Luna! What? What do you need? Time to wake up. For what? Luna! Listen to me. I have 0 candies. Now, what's next? Wait for the next 29 minutes for some more candies? That take too long. That didn't take too long. Ah. Well, who are you looking at this, Luna? Why are you? You're in a different app. That's why. Oh, do this. Oh, teddy bear. Careful. Wait a minute. That sound effect. Let me guess. Alright. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Luna. Don't do that again. You do this cute one. And then, well. Wake up! Alright, I'll leave you alone. I'll let you sleep. Woo! Why? Ah. Why? This happened to you, Poppy? Do you just like bump into her? Woo woo! Ah, close. Almost there, turtles. Keep it up. Oh yeah. Daisy stays over here. I don't know why. Luna. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, are you kidding me? No. This always happens. No. Ouch. Stay over there. I mean it. Oh my god. We have 5 pets now in Hello Pets. Don't you ever do that again. You did it the second time. Oh. You did it the second time, Luna. Oh no. Daisy, slow down. Slow down. No. Yeah, that's much better anyways. Dance later. I'm coming for you, Minty. Who said that? Luna. I'm coming for you, dog. Oh, Daisy. There am I again. Be careful. Oh yeah, I know it. Immediately. Ain't Smithy? It's just up to there. Luna, wake up. Come on. No. You've done it for no reason. Now where's that going? What? I can't believe DK did it to me. Come on. I'm not a banana. I'm a cat. Oh man. Why don't we start ourselves here? Don't worry about this for now. I know Lakitu plays a spine over there. Oh yeah. Slowly, be careful. You want your show back? Of course, my friend, I can give it to you. Oh, darling. I have my own cat friends. Ooh, ouch. Oh, mamma mia. What is she trying to do to me? Hey, I want to tell you something. Luna, what is it? How was this day? Good. Ha ha ha. Time to play. Ow! Oh, Mamma Mia. Oh, give it to me. Oh. Ow. More. I'm going to get you. Ow. Oh, man.